Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Ata Hussain. So today we are here gathered to discuss about there are two multiple topics. We will discuss about both topics. So first topic is village life and city life. Which one is better? And after we will discuss about trees.
Why tree is important?
Okay.
Benefits of tree.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Habib. I study in class 5.
And you?
My name is Hussein. I study in class also 5. We two
both
are classmates.
Okay, and you?
I am Tanveer. I study in class 4.
Okay, so my first question is from Habib. So Habib, can you tell me in the village life,
Trees.
in the trees, there are many trees. Could you please give me any three types? Oh, sorry, not types, but any three trees that give us fruit?
Yes, trees gives us fruit because he gives us oxygen. We have breathing, and then you see village city that he has
As you see that as air conditioner
Then he has we see outside
in the village.
in the city. Then he has no trees. We go to village.
As you told that in the outside there's not any environment of air, but in the inside there are like ACs and air coolers. In the village are these, and in the cities are these, and in the village are like trees and other things, right?
Right. Then we have teach about he has a thinking that we have oxygen. We have go to village. He has a lot of trees. We breathe, but we have sleeping it. He has
A lot of mosquitoes.
We have bite us and blood. A lot of blood.
Okay, Habib, do you have any question?
We have a question: why city life? Which better, city life, village life?
So basically, I think village life is better.
Yes, you're right. Village life has not a college.
But we also go to like the village. We take all the like shades in the trees. There are more benefits, and we can.
Some trees there is like banana, apples, and
And
mangoes.
they also give us fruits even.
Yes.
Even there's a more shade. So, do you have any question, Tanveer?
Yes, Ata, I have a question for you. Trees, why tree give fruit?
Because trees has their types. Trees has basically as see that tomato is not
Tomato
fruit.
tree.
Because but it's also in the trees. It is
And also see a farmer place. You see also in a village farmer place. Farmer place have also
see,
current.
if we have like a village, so we go to another like a city. We have another city to explore it, and in the city we can gain jobs. We came from the village and we can gain in the city we can gain job in the city. But if we came from the village, also city, if we are like a
Yes,
good education, we have a good education, so we have a job.
Life. Then school, college, but village life has not college, schools. He has not working on it.
Village everything has advantages and also disadvantages. Give a chance Hussein to talk. Okay, Hussein.
But village have like tuitions, coachings.
No, there's not any coaching, but
No.
give Hussein chance.
Tuition.
Tuitions have, but there's not
Like
private schools.
Like you see, Sir Samad is also like
Teaching. And as you see, our headmaster, government school
Yes,
headmaster.
you're right.
As
You
see,
have government school. That
Give a chance Hussein to speak, Habib. And also in the cities there are hospitals, but in the village there are not enough hospital. And in our village there are not only one hospital.
You also say that sir say that AC is not better than like
Village trees, they are like
coolness.
air is fresh. Air is fresh.
And also water is fresh.
Water is fresh. No, but in some areas there are water is not good. Like in our like Hamza, there are good water.
And in Sajjal Kanuni here is not
There are in
like
Chemicals.
No, water
Not
is chemicals. Water is chemicals. Do you think of
water.
you know that water is not chemicals? There are two types of water, salty water.
Should you speak away?
Okay.
Yes.
so,
Then as we see that he has not water, we have a not water. Then we have go to village life. He has a lot of water.
but they had not a college.
Yes, that he has government.
Go, give a chance to a baby speak.
He has not a school. One school.
Government
Government
school.
school.
And
Government.
there's a not any private school. Like
that he has.
give a chance Tanvi to talk.
So do you know government schools in village life? Do you know in our village one town his name was Garela.
Gerelo.
Gerelo. Here is one hospital, two hospital. I think two hospitals.
There's not any hospital. They are the doctor that are living in the town.
Yes, you are right.
No, in the town that our village has like Gerelo, and Gerelo is not a hospital, but there are some doctors.
He is a small town.
Small town.
Small town.
Okay, give him mic to speak up about it. Okay, Raza, can you pause it? So, Abhi, what was your question? Can you repeat?
I am a not question. You have a question.
Okay. So, in today,
Yes.
can you explain briefly? Is there a farmer that is farming? So, if he has enough money to do farming?
Know that he has that gives others money and his food buy food because he has
As
not
we
money.
know, Habib,
That farmer say he has not money and he has work on it. That
yes,
plant,
Habib, as you told that farmer has not like enough money, as you told.
yes.
Yes. So these are the basic reasons that farmer has not money. So when farmer is taking like white like chemicals and a black chemical. So there's a white chemical is a cost many rupees and black is upper than white. In the farmer has not enough money to buy it, because if he buy, so there would be a more like they tell him that you will give us interest. Do you know what mean interest? Vyaj.
Yeah.
So yes, bro.
Yes.
You see when
Yeah.
he takes from it.
He takes
Versus
Vyaj and
Yes.
he has
then
you
it's
see
called
sharab.
No, sharab. Abhi, why are you going for alcohol?
Because in our village there is many poor.
Give me a chance to speak about it. Okay, got it? So in these days, and they are taking money from other peoples, and when they are giving them like any question, giving them money, so they are saying give us interest. So the interest is day by day going up.
Yes.
So when they reached there, when
see here is a solar
Tanvir, first give me a chance. So when they do like
It is a solar system.
yes, it is a solar system. It's a solar.
8 kV solar system. 8 kV solar system. You read in outside of house.
Yes, you can. Also, we call two solar systems. systems. We call this solar system, and we also call like sun like solar system.
Yes, I am saying that sun solar system. I am not his questions.
Okay.
Then
I understand.
village life has dua that he has. We have see that. I am see that. I am also see that. Then we
Okay,
say-
okay, you seen, but this is not work of a farmer. There's a no work of farmer. Yes, they are taking like more money for their like seeds to grow there and to sell this. But even when they are taking money, so it's upper. They are selling like a food, like rice.
Yes.
So when they sell and came from when see their interest, so this is like upper from it. Like when they take cost of the rice and reached on their interest that they take from interest, so they see that the money that they take from it, it has been a lot of cost. And he sell in the like market. So when he take money and go to interest, he give, yeah, like he's called usurer. So when he give usurer money, he saw that I give him a lots of money. This is called. And Habib, do you have any question?
No.
And Hussein?
No, I have no.
Okay, conclusion. No, I have not a question. So as we end it, and our conclusion, first conclusion, what was
I have a
our?
question for you.
Okay.
Why in city life we have electricity, and also why in village life not electricity?
Thanks for questioning. So, village life have not electricity because of, as you know that now electricity is taking more money. So this is
You
because
see, in the city life, here is a big
like business. In the
Electricity.
cities, the businessmen are coming, not poor people, as you know, Sam. So, in the conclusion, what was our first topic? Trees.
Trees and
trees give us
also-
life. We must protect them. And in the city life and in the village life,
I have a
the
question. Why?
village is better than the city. Tanvir, what was your question? Can you tell?
Why farmer give bale and also cows that he was
Others have questions that he teach about questions.
Okay, Tanvir. So, what was your question? Can you repeat?
my question is why farmer purchase a cow?
For the milk.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Okay.
So our conclusion, third was like on the farmer. Government should reduce the rates of the black chemical and also white chemical. Thank you.